Welcome to this Agatha product video. I'm Rob Bakanowitz with the Customer Success Organization, and in this video we take a look at the overall Agatha user interface and navigation. Our fast, friendly interface will help promote user adoption and ease transition from paper or other systems. Since we are talking about user interface and navigation, this video applies to all applications offered by Agatha as you see on your screen. Now let's get started. Agatha is a cloud application hosted on Amazon Web Services and accessible via any common browser you may have installed on your computer. To log in, simply enter the URL, which takes you to the login page where you then enter your username and password and then click Login. Once successfully logged into Agatha, you are taken to the dashboard summary which you now see. If this is your first time logging into Agatha, tips to discover the application will appear. In the upper left, you can switch between test and productive environments. On the dashboard, you see your recently accessed workspaces as well as task summary. On the task page, you can actually complete your tasks as well as sort and filter them. In your workspaces, you have access to your documents. If you have questions or need support or would like to restart the tour at any time, you can do so from the Help menu. Back on the dashboard, we also offer KPIs, which are graphical representations of your data across your workspaces. Here you see some examples such as study completeness, quality check status, number of documents approved versus rejected, and number of documents waiting for approval. So long as the data is captured in our system, we can tailor these reports to display data that is accurate for your application. Now let's navigate into a workspace. We will use Quality Docs for this, which is our SOP application. Within a workspace, you're always taken to the last view accessed. Across the top, Admin, Effective, Effective by Department, Folder, etc. are all standard views that come within the Agatha application. Within the Folder view, all documents are organized in a folder tree structure. Over in the List view, we see all documents outside of their folder structure. We can search, which will search any property or metadata as well as content of Word and PDF files. We can also apply filters. For example, if we wanted to see all documents in the status of review, we can apply that filter and then our results will be returned once applied. Beyond search and filtering, you can group by any property or metadata within an Agatha view. In the Training by Document view, you see we're grouping by document name. We're currently seeing all documents, but if we select a grouping by SOP3, for example, we'll see all training records for SOP3. The final user interface topic I'd like to cover today is the Details versus Tiles display. Throughout this video, we've been looking at the Details view, where each item is a row. You can click on that row to access the properties, the preview, workflow history, version history, audit log, etc. of that document. The Tiles view is more appropriate when using a lower screen resolution or tablet. Each document appears as a tile that you can easily scroll through and see the document preview on the right. You can also view the properties, document links, workflow history, version history, audit log, etc. Thank you for taking the time to view our product video. If you want to learn more about Agatha's applications or participate in a free application trial, visit our website linked in the video and description below.